So we have a question from polynomials here, and we are given that a, b, c are real and f1 is equals to -9. So f1, which is 1 plus a plus b plus c, is equals to -9, which means a plus b plus c is equals to -10. 1 iota root 3 is a root of the equation so this is x into 4x square plus 3ax plus 2b, and iota root 3 is a root, so other root would be a minus iota root 3. So iota root 3 is a root, so the other root is minus iota root 3, which gives us a is equals to 0, and so x into 4 iota root 3 square plus 2b because iota root 3 is a root, so substituting it here we should get 0. So I just substituted, so this is not 0, so this thing has to be 0, which gives us 4 into -3 plus 2b equals to 0, which gives us 2b equals to 12, b equals to 6. Remember a was 0, b is 6. This holds, giving us c equals to -16. So fx becomes x to the power of 4 plus ax cube, a is 0, so it disappears. Bx square is 6x square minus 16. And the roots of this equation, so x square, so to satisfy it, x square must be -6 plus minus under root of b square 36 plus 4ac 64 upon 2, which is -6 plus minus 10 by 2. So x square is equals to 2 or -8. So alpha 1 is say plus root 2, alpha 2 is minus root 2, alpha 3, mod alpha 3 is equals to root 8, mod alpha 4 is also root 8. So alpha 1 square plus so this mod squares, sum of the squares of mod of each would be 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8, which is 20. So the answer is 20.